Meanwhile, some people who live in the district Regina Hill represents say her arrest does not come as a shock.
WESH News' Pamela Combe joins us live from Orlando City Hall. And Pam, some community members are now left wondering what this means for them in terms of representation.
Yeah, and one legal expert did say there probably won't be a quick resolution to this case. As of now, Regina Hill is still on the job.
There are a number of other allegations that over time have been very, very negative surrounding her and the things that she's been involved in.
Jonathan Blount lives in Orlando's District 5. He had much to say about Regina Hill, the commissioner who represents him. Other neighbors were upset to hear the woman who is supposed to be making the city better is accused of taking advantage of a 96-year-old woman.
If you're doing wrong, it's going to come back. I hope the lady get her money back.
You know, people, of course, are innocent until proven guilty, but, you know, these allegations and all of the evidence and that I've heard so far, I mean, I just don't think that there's any way that she's going to be able to escape accountability and culpability.
Criminal defense attorney Katie Horton, who is not representing Hill in this case, says because the investigation was over a year long, it'll be a while until this case comes to a close.
The investigators in this case have had so long to review these records and accumulate these records. It's going to take the defense attorney the same amount of time probably to go through and review them.
Horton expects Hill's attorney to file a not guilty plea, and if negotiations start at some point,
one of the priorities would be how is that money going to be paid back and how is this person going to be made whole through restitution.
Another key question will be how long Hill knew the 96-year-old victim and what her current health is. If convicted on all charges, Hill faces up to 180 years in prison. Reporting in Orlando, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.